So you've clicked our 30-day affiliate link trial, haven't you? And here you are now. And so I'm going to fill this in. So it'll bring you onto this page. And what happens with this, let me just point this out. It's putting you straight onto the growth plan. So at the end of your 30 days, Kajabi are wanting to put you straight up onto that growth plan. If you watched the last video, you saw that there was a basic one and then there was a growth one. Now, this isn't an issue at all. Nothing is going to come out for 30 days anyway. And what we can do is very easily, and I can show you how to do this on one of the future videos, you can just go into it and bring yourself down from growth to basic if you would rather start off at the 149 rather than the 199. So name, email, I'm going to create a password and start my free trial. So then it brings us onto this page that says to check your email. I've just had this email come through that says you're almost there. Verify your email. And so here we go. We're excited to have you here. Continue. This is Kajabi's way of helping to onboard you. So what brings you here? I'm going to tick here that I'm new to this. This is kind of what I'm assuming you're going to fill in, something like this, and we'll hit continue. Need an address. And we're in. And so here we are with our dashboard. And in the next video, we're going to take you around this and show you how to get started with it.